Holler. No chewing. It's okay.
You guys can play, I just don't want you chewing on the chair. Here comes Addie's turn. Addie must be the referee or something.
Oh, she jumps in there sometimes. Or she has to take a nap in between. Well, Dave, well, Julie, just imagine Finn down there roughhousing with these dogs. Yeah, then they can all crawl under the chair and bite each other on the legs. Oh, that hurt. I don't want you to hurt me. I'm going to bite you in the ear.
Get him, Addie. Get him, Addie. Get him. Go get him. Get in there with him.
Uh-oh. Oliver's getting mad. Oliver's going to get mad.
Come, Addie. Get in there. You need help. Why don't we all go outside and go to the bathroom? I think it's time. Bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody. They went the wrong way.